very warm welcome. I am Rishi Sharma. Norwegian crypto firm K33 said Wednesday it plans to raise a minimum of $8.9 million through a share issue for its plan to purchase up to 1,000 Bitcoin for its company reserves. The net proceeds from the directed share issue will be used to buy Bitcoin to hold on the balance sheet. The move follows K33's earlier announcement that it secured financing to acquire up to 57 Bitcoin in late May. K33's move follows a broader trend among Norwegian companies investing in Bitcoin. Earlier this month, Norwegian Block Exchange announced that it would begin holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Prenetics Global Limited, a healthcare science company, announced that it has purchased $20 million worth of Bitcoin as part of a newly approved corporate treasury strategy. The company acquired 187.42 BTC at an average price of $106,712 and stated that its board has approved allocating the majority of its $117 million balance sheet to Bitcoin. The company also plans to accept Bitcoin payments across its direct-to-consumer platforms, including IM8 Health and Circle DNA. Lion Group Holdings Limited, a company listed on Nasdaq, has received $600 million in funding from ATW Partners to start a treasury strategy that would focus on hyperliquid. According to the press release, LGHL plans to use the fund to buy a large amount of HYPE and build what it hopes will become the biggest HYPE treasury in the world. Additionally, the facility will also fund strategic holdings in Solana and Sui and is working with BitGo, a leading crypto security company, to handle the storage and staking of LGHL's Sol and Sui coins. The global race to shape the future of digital currency is gaining momentum as the United States and China take decisive but divergent steps. In Washington, President Donald Trump has called on lawmakers to urgently pass the Genius Act, a stablecoin-focused bill aimed at securing U.S. leadership in digital asset regulation. Meanwhile, in Beijing, China's central bank governor Pan Gongshen announced the establishment of a new international operations center for the digital yuan, signaling the country's ambition to expand its central bank digital currency globally and promote a more diversified monetary system. Shares of stablecoin issuer Circle and crypto exchange Coinbase surged on Wednesday after the US Senate passed a landmark stablecoin bill, boosting hopes of wider adoption for a once niche part of the crypto sector. The bill was passed with bipartisan support, marking a turning point in the debate over crypto oversight and a breakthrough for a sector long stuck in regulatory limbo. The tokens have gained traction for offering crypto's convenience without its volatility. Pegged to currencies like the US dollar, they aim to hold a stable value backed by reserves. Circle shares closed up 33.8%, Coinbase ended 16% higher, while commission fee brokerage Robinhood, which offers crypto trading, gained 4.5%. Crypto exchange Coinbase is venturing further into the global payments business with the launch of Coinbase Payments, the company has announced. According to the statement, this service, which is built on Coinbase's Ethereum Layer 2 network base, is already live with e-commerce platform Shopify. It is designed to bring stablecoin payments to merchants, supporting around-the-clock USDC transactions without requiring any blockchain know-how. The company's move aligns with the growing trend of stablecoins reshaping the global payments market. Payments companies such as Stripe and PayPal debut products that use blockchain tech under the hood for payments. Canadian asset manager 3iQ has launched a new XRP-focused ETF for North American users. The 3iQ XRP ETF began trading Wednesday on the Toronto Stock Exchange, offering investors direct exposure to the fourth largest digital asset by market cap. Ripple, the blockchain company behind the XRP ledger and the XRP cryptocurrency, is an early investor in the fund, 3iQ said in a statement. As per the announcement, the ETF debuts with a 6-month 0% management fee. It invests exclusively in long-term XRP positions acquired from reputable exchanges and OTC platforms, with all holdings kept in cold storage. Ohio has taken a big step towards crypto adoption by passing the Ohio Blockchain Basics Act, a bill that exempts Bitcoin payments under $200 from state capital gains tax. The House Technology Committee approved the bill unanimously with a 68-26 vote, showing strong bipartisan support. This new bill provides Ohio residents with a tax break on small, everyday Bitcoin transactions. It means citizens won't need to track or report capital gains when spending Bitcoin Bitcoin under $200. The bill removes one of the biggest barriers to using crypto for regular purchases. Crypto derivatives exchange Deribit and spot exchange Crypto.com are accepting BlackRock's tokenized US Treasury fund as trading collateral for institutional and experienced clients. According to Forbes, this move will allow institutional traders to use a low volatility, yield-bearing digital instrument as collateral for their accounts, lowering the margin requirements for leveraged trading. Coinbase, one of the world's biggest exchanges by trading volume, announced a $2.9 billion deal to acquire Deribit in May 2025. The deal can expand the utility of BlackRock's institutional digital liquidity fund. The fund holds nearly 40% of the tokenized treasury's market share, or roughly $2.9 billion in value locked. Pudgy Penguins is launching a skill-based Web3 game called Pengu Clash for the Open Network blockchain, joining the competitive mini-game space. According to Pudgy Penguins, the game will operate under a play-to-win model, allowing players to compete and be rewarded for game mastery rather than speculation. Play to win, in a sense, is a skill-based game. The game will feature modes with different rules and objectives, supported by Olympics infrastructure to enable skill-based challenges and a multiplayer experience. Pudgy Penguins is developing Pengu Clash on the Ton blockchain, citing Telegram's large and distinct user base as a factor. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.